Hello, fellow music lovers. Do you like to meet new people? Most of us who teach love to meet new people. It energizes us. We look forward to it. But for some of our students, this can be a frightening thing. Here's a cute and funny song about meeting people who might not look like us, they might not talk like us, they might not even smell like us, according to the song. It's called My Best Friend is a Salamander. After listening to the whole song, feel free to write in the comments below what you think the song is about, specifically. As always, I'll put a link to the song below. Hi, my name is Paul Miller, founder of Creative Teaching Techniques, and I love to share popular music and movie ideas that will make a lasting impact on you and your students. Whether you teach social studies, religion, English, or music, I think you'll really enjoy these ideas. As Pope Francis says, everything is connected. We'll show you how to make exciting connections between popular culture and our Christian faith. This song, My Best Friend is a Salamander, is really a parable. We know that a parable is a story with a lesson. It was Jesus' favorite way to teach us. A parable is also a riddle. Jesus trusts us so much, he wants us to figure out the message of each parable. See if you can interpret this song. I'd love to hear your insights in the comments below. That's one of the perks of being part of this learning community. We have the opportunity to share and to learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this with a fellow teacher. What songs do you play for your fellow students? Are you an extrovert? Are you an introvert? How do you deal with that in class? Feel free to write this in the comments below. Until then, remember, it's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. Now let's enjoy the funny, cute, silly, but insightful song, My Best Friend is a Salamander by Peter Himmelman.